We are all looking for that fountain of youth, so let's talk about how peptides can help you get there. Hello everyone! Today we're talking about peptides and why they are essential in your anti-aging skincare routine. So what are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids that serve as a building block of protein like collagen and elastin, which is crucial for maintaining skin structure and elasticity. So how peptides can benefit your skin? First, stimulating collagen production. Peptides signal skin cells to produce more collagen, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They also enhance the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and protecting against environmental damage and oxidation. There are different types of peptides. Signal peptides. This tells your skin to produce more collagen and elastin. Carrier peptides deliver trace elements necessarily for wound healing and tissue repair. Enzyme inhibitor peptides can help inhibit the breakdown of collagen, prolonging skin youthful appearance. So how do you incorporate peptides into your routine? Look for serums, creams, and treatments that specifically list peptides among their active ingredients. Always consult with a skincare professional to find the best peptide product suited for your skin type and goals. So why peptides are a must in 2024? Studies show that peptides can effectively reduce the signs of aging and improve overall skin health. Complementary treatments. They can be combined with other treatments like retinoids for enhanced results. So peptides are a powerful tool in your quest for youthful skin. By incorporating them into your routine, you can take a significant step towards maintaining your skin health and appearance. You can also incorporate peptides with professional treatments like microneedling, lasers, Morpheus, and CO2 laser. And the reason is because your skin is being hurt, so to speak, with this treatment. So after we do that, your skin is open and ready to receive those peptides that will go deeper into layers of the skin, enhancing your results. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight on skincare.